So this is our Bona stand-up trowel. This is kind of new, somewhat newer to the industry. Something we wanted to get guys off their hands and knees, give you another option. It might not be for everybody, but for the guys who really want to try it out, it's a great tool. So when you buy it, it comes with this pole. Also comes with 30 different blades. The blades are two-sided, so you get 60 different uses out of them. We have the 1000F blade, the 1250G blade, and the 1500G blade. So with that, I put a little blue tape around here, keeps it clean, keeps it keeps it so it stays in place a little bit better. The trowel slides right back, slides in. There's 3 clips here that slide into it, and put a little blue tape around it, and you're ready to go. So this is our Bona Flow. I'm gonna pour it out, and I'm gonna show the stand-up trowel how we trowel it out. So like we were saying, this adhesive is great because you can pour it straight out of the bucket. Don't have to get your hands in there, get them all dirty again. You can run it straight down the line like this. One guy pouring, next guy's coming behind. Next guy comes behind and can trowel it out after that. So with the stand-up trowel, the nice thing about it is you're upright the whole time. You know, pull it like this if you'd like. You can pull it against if you have boards already in. Pull it straight down the line like this. Still get your coverage rates. Actually, with the Bona Flow, we're noticing that coverage rates are a lot better than with your standard 851, just because it flows out a little bit better. The coverage works out a little nicer. So, as I said, the stand-up trowel. You can see the trowel lines on here. You're getting really good high peaks. Getting all the contact pushed down into the substrate like you want it to be. When you are doing the stand-up trowel, and in any of the trowels with the Bona adhesives, we want you to be as close to a 90-degree angle as possible, because when you do that, you get the highest peaks. That's how you're going to get your ridges to be up really high. If you pull it down like this and you have it low, your peaks aren't going to be as high, and you're going to leave a lot more glue in the middle, which you don't hit your spread rates that way. That doesn't affect your warranty, but your spread rates will go down dramatically because of that.